Bullish Arweave cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $42.90 and $93.42 by 2030. Market investigators accept AR could reach $42.90 by 2025. Bearish Arweave market cost expectation for 2022 is $7.63. Arweave presentation. In the developing crypto market, new players are continually coming in, each with their varying primary, calculated premise and works. These variables alongside exchanging volume and the market cap proceed to deliver their always shifting costs, like R's cost. Exploring through the crypto market to create a wise speculation can be troublesome yet conceivable. This requires one's own examination to be continually creating and enhanced by specialized investigation given by specialists. One likewise must be continually observing the current endlessly cost expectations. To purchase Arweave digital money is a choice one can make subsequent to being completely educated about what the cash is, the way its capabilities, and what are its beginnings. Instructions to work will be made sense of through a specialized examination of Arweave and its starting points through basic investigation. These will likewise incorporate a comprehension of the ongoing exchanging value, the typical conjecture value, the typical value, the base cost, and the most extreme cost level. What is Arweave? The Arweave network is a decentralized information stockpiling organization. It is a novel blockchain-based stage that empowers long-lasting, secure, and proficient information stockpiling. The local badge of the Arweave network is R. The Arweave network was sent off in 2017. The principal point of the Arweave network is to give a long-lasting and oversight-safe information stockpiling stage. The Arweave network depends on blockchain innovation. The information put away on the Arweave network is unchanging and can't be erased. The information put away on the Arweave network is encoded and must be gotten to by the information proprietor. It is developed on top of a fresh out-of-the-box new blockchain engineering called Blockweave, which gives a state-of-the-art agreement cycle and token monetary model that urges network clients to cooperate to give long-haul information capacity. A protected, versatile, and practical information stockpiling choice is presented by the Arweave convention. In June 2020, the Arweave network turned out to be live on the fundamental net. The organization's stockpiling and recovery capabilities require the organization's local token, R. Like Bitcoin, the evidence of work strategy is utilized to mine R tokens. Recently made R tokens and a level of the exchange charges connected with the information put away on the organization are given to diggers as remunerations. Arweave specialized examination. Arweave is a decentralized, long-lasting, and boosted information capacity organization. It is based on top of the new blockchain design, the Blockweave, which empowers an original agreement component and token monetary model that boosts network members to team up in giving long-lasting information stockpiling. The Arweave convention gives an information stockpiling arrangement that is secure, versatile, and practical. The local badge of the organization, R, is expected to utilize the organization's stockpiling and recovery administrations. R tokens are mined through a proof-of-work component. Excavators are compensated with shiny new R tokens as well as a piece of the exchange charges related with the information put away on the organization. A Blockweave information structure utilized by Arweave is like a blockchain, yet for certain significant contrasts, blocks in a Blockweave are not binded together directly. All things considered, they are connected together in a cross-section-like design. This takes into consideration each block to reference various past blocks, which empowers the organization to accomplish high throughput and adaptability. Arweave current cost. Arweave is at present worth $9.53 USD. R has moved 1.28% as of now with an exchanging volume of $15,330,538. Arweave is at present position 91 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $307,180,750 USD. Arweave value expectation 2022. Arweave, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The R cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $14.30. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $13.35 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. R is supposed to have a base worth of $11.44. Arweave value expectation 2023. In 2023, Arweave R cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of R will before long outperform $23.83. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the R's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, R will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $19.07 and a typical exchanging cost of $20.97. Arweave value expectation 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $33.36 and R might benefit in the event that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. R is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $30.50 and a low of $28.60 in 2024. Arweave value expectation 2025. Assuming that Arweave effectively supports market opinion among digital money fans, the R coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, R will be green in 2025. The R is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $42.90, with a base cost of $38.13 and a typical cost of $40.04. Arweave value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the R cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $49.57 by 2026, with a base cost of $47.66 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, R has a most extreme value worth of $52.43. Arweave value forecast 2027, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $59.10. On the off chance that R figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $61.96. Neglecting to assemble the help R needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $57.20. Arweave value expectation 2028. While R is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $66.73 and a yearly cost close above $71.49 in 2028. Arweave value forecast 2029. By 2029, Arweave will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $76.26 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $81.03, averaging out at $78.17. Arweave value forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme R cost in 2030 is projected to be $93.42 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $89.61. And one ought to just choose to buy Arweave digital money in the wake of doing broad exploration on what the cash is, the manner by which it works, and where it came from. Specialized examination of R